Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate your debit card of the Wells Fargo bank. So first what you need to do is open your preferred web browser, and on the address bar you're going to type in Wells Fargo. So you're going to open the first link of the Wells Fargo, or you're going to open the online banking link. So once the page loads, you're gonna open the sign on. Click on the sign on, then fill out this form with your username and your password. So this is the credentials of your online banking account. Once you log into your account, go to the debit card section and click on activate your debit card. Complete the steps or the instructions that are given to you, and make sure you give correct information about your credit card, or like your credit card numbers or any other thing it asks. So once you complete all the steps, your debit card will be successfully activated. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.